Do you want to control who can use your avatar sticker on WhatsApp? In this quick video, I'll show you how to manage your avatar sticker privacy settings. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Next, tap Privacy to access all your account's privacy settings. Swipe up to scroll down, and locate Avatar Stickers, then tap on it. By default, your contacts can use your avatar in their stickers. If you choose Selected Contacts, WhatsApp allows you to pick specific people who can use your avatar. And if you choose Nobody, it blocks all users from using your avatar in stickers. Now, select the option that best matches your comfort level. The avatar privacy setting lets you control how your avatar is used, offering a more secure and personalized messaging experience. And that's how you can control who can use your avatar sticker on WhatsApp.